To cancel your Showmax subscription on an iPhone, simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, on your iPhone, open the Settings app from your home screen. Now, once inside the settings, at the top of the settings menu, tap your Apple ID, your name and profile picture. Then in your Apple ID settings, scroll down and select subscriptions. Once you tap on the subscriptions, this will show all your active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Now all you have to do is scroll through the list of subscriptions and tap on Showmax. I don't have any subscriptions available, so here you cannot find any. But if you have any, then you will get to see the list of it. You will see the Showmax subscription details, then simply tap cancel subscription at the bottom. If you don't see the option to cancel, it means the subscription has already been cancelled or won't renew at the end of the billing cycle. Confirm that you want to cancel the subscription, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.